Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
You're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey guys, what is going on? Tanvivan here. So today's video is going to be much more interesting because in this video I will show you how you can make a professional logo design using your smartphone. So if you want to earn money by doing freelancing, then this video is going to help you more. So let's see how to do professional logo design. So to do logo design using your smartphone, you just need only one application or nothing. So only one application, and you need a freelancing account in Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer or Truelancer, People Power, anything. Just need an account and this application. Okay, so let's open it. So that's the application. Here you can see picsart. You can download it from Play Store. So guys, if you like this video, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can like this video if you like this. And after opening, you just have to click on this plus icon. Here you can see there is a plus icon. Just click on it, and here you have to scroll down, and you have to select no background. Here you can see no background. Just select it. Select. After that, you have to scroll right, you can see, and you have to click on draw. Just click on it and draw again. So here you have to draw a circle, fill circle. So let's choose color first. I'm choosing the color, my logo color, and then select circle, clicking here, create a circle, clicking here, choose circle, and then just fill, click OK, and draw it from here. So you can see done. Resize it as you like. Okay, after that click OK, and then in this page you have to draw text. So how to draw? So just go to text, and then I'm drawing an cash logo, and you can draw as you want. So I'm drawing an cash logo. So let's draw. Draw like this. Select your font. Selecting this one. Okay, resize as you want, then use eraser, erase the extra part, hardness full, then erase it. Here and okay, we're done. Resize as you want. take another text, cash. So let's choose font and then select color for both text. So I'm selecting this color as example. Then you can set strop border for these texts and for this too, selective color. So it's okay now. Now let's go to effect and then click set the HDR effect, blur, increase the blur level and fade, decrease it, and that's okay. So here you can see that's our logo. So you can make a logo like this. So if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and also the like button. So guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned with our channel. Thank you.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification offers and uploads.